Hey guys, today I'm gonna be showing you all of my remote control cars. I love them. I just don't know why. And as you know in our last video, you probably know, I opened up the Guava Juice Box Holiday Box Edition. And yeah, this is about a second video. Earlier today I opened that. And today we're gonna be looking at all my remote control cars. Alright, so
let's get started.
Yeah, so started. First up, we have this remote control Mustang car. It's not really that fast.
What's your favorite part of it?
Favorite part? The stripes. I like the color of the stripes. So I like that car. Alright, next we have you probably should all know this car. Nissan GTR. My favorite. Pretty fast, not that fast. My favorite part about it is probably the rims. Yeah, because they're nice looking red. Get a good look at it. Alright, next we have like the supercars. We're into the supercars. Here's a Lambo, a red Lamborghini. You should all know that. Side.
Favorite part?
This is an Aventador. Favorite part? It's my second favorite car. Lamborghini Aventador. If you want to know what my favorite car is, it's an Audi R8. Yeah. Okay, the next car. This is my third favorite car. A Ferrari 458 Italia. As you can see, it's right there.
Show in the back. You can see inside the back.
Yeah, you can see the engine. Yeah, I like this car. It's pretty sick. Favorite thing about it? It's red. I like the color red.
Now comes the biggest car that he has.
The biggest, and the best.
Bugatti.
Bugatti Veyron. This remote control car.
So
I set a bunch of tape and I taped on my phone. Taped my phone on here, and then I went as a camera. I FaceTimed, and I went like a camera. I drove around in with this.
So cool.
It's a nice car. I like Bugatti.
What's your favorite part?
Favorite part? Well, it's the front. The front of the car, I just like it. I just like the Bugatti. I don't know why.
Okay, now let's give them a big close-up of the first car. Okay, big close-up. Here goes a big close-up.
Mustang GT.
Now, second one. Third. Down the fourth one.
Ferrari 458 Italia.
Okay, now, biggest and greatest.
Bugatti Veyron.
Okay.
Pretty fast.
Now,
Goodbye, guys. Thanks for watching. If you just click that bell for notifications for every new video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And ciao.